Hey everyone, so have you come across strategies or teachers or books that say that if you're in sales, first of all, the number one thing is to find out the problems of your prospect. Okay, ask them questions, find out the problems they're facing, and then provide them with a solution. Now I'm going to take this further. Okay, and if you can take this further, this technique alone is going to bring you sustainable sales. When some people talk about problems, it is problems within the solution that you are providing. Let's say if you are selling insurance, okay, the problems will be financial related, retirement related, right? And if I'm doing training, right, let's say team building training, the problems will be relevant around this teams, communication, conflicts, resolution, things like that. But then, hey, let me share this with you. The problems can be outside of the problem. Do you get that? The problems that you uncover could be problems that outside of what you can solve with your products or service. Let me give you an example. Okay, when I just started, I was dealing with schools. Okay, they are basically my clients. I run workshops for them. I run trainings for their kids, their students. So of course, the problems are one of the problems they are facing. Yeah, students need to be motivated. Students need to learn the soft skills, these skills, that skills, and so therefore I am giving them the solution. But then, while I am pitching my solution pertaining to the problems that they are facing, I uncover a set of different problems. The problems are with the teachers. Well, not the teachers' problem, it's just that teachers are facing this set of problems and I have the solution for the teachers, not the students this time. You get what I mean? So the teachers, number one problems for the teachers, lack of time. They are overloaded. They have to mark papers, they have to set exam papers, they have to mark exercises, homeworks, they have to go for meetings, they have to teach. And then when I am conducting training, they have to sit in that class, wasting their time. Okay, so this becomes a huge issue for the teacher. So what problems am I solving for them? I told the teacher, don't worry, you can mark your papers, you can go set your exam papers, test papers, you can do it in class, you can go back to the meeting room. I can handle all your students. I alone with my team, okay, we can handle your students. And the way I structure it, okay, in most organization, what they do is one trainer to 20 students, one trainer, 40 students. But do you know how I structure my training? One facilitator to 5 students. So can you see how I actually solve the problems for the teachers? Why the teachers need to be there? Because they want to ensure that the class, the pupils, the students are properly managed. But number one, I am competent to manage 40, 50, 100, 300 students. And I have a team to come in to manage together with me. 1:5. Okay, this is the ratio. So because of that, I get sustainable contract. Every year, this teacher has been calling me back over and over for consecutive years because I solved one huge problem for her. Right. So this is one special technique that you can use it. Right, uncovering problems outside the actual problem. If you are able to solve the other problems, you might get sustainable deals. All right. Hope you gain something from this. Bye bye.